So welcome to this analysis for gold. So we'll be analyzing gold for the week February the 12th, Monday, all the way to Friday, February 16th. All right, so we are on the, okay, let me quickly switch to the weekly time frame for gold. So on the weekly time frame for gold, if you look at the three moving averages of 200 period, 50 period, and 21 period, everything is pointing up. And the market structure is also bullish. You can see you have series of higher lows and higher highs. All right, so gold is bullish, but then in the immediate price action here, you see that up here we have something like a shooting star, right? And then you have, but then you call it a shooting star because it occurred on the upside of the market. However, it occurred after a bearish move, 2 weeks bearish move, 1, 2, and price couldn't go below this, so it showed up like an inverted hammer, right? But then followed by a bearish engulfing pattern that we have currently. Let me zoom in a little. All right. So you see that there's an inverted hammer there. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the 4-hour time, but before we get there, let's just check on daily time frame. Daily time frame, you see what we have there. Still everything looking bullish, but then price slugging it out around the 50 and 21 day moving average. They are trying to fight it out there. It's ranging there, and we have a doji there, and then you have the bearish engulfing there, right? So, but then the market structure bullish, but then sideways here, right? And we go to 4 hours, which is where we'll focus on right now to see what we can do. But then on 4 hours, everything seems to point, yeah, the market appears sideways, right? But it's below the moving averages. You get it? So what we do here, I think scalping is still going to be an ideal strategy to trade this coming week. So let's now check what we can expect on our 1 hour time frame before we switch to the other time. Now look at this bearish still. So based on this, on Monday, what should I expect? I'm going to work with the drop from here to here. I think let's see whether this is lower. Well, we have 2020.17, and then here we have 2020.3. So this is lower. So I can link up this. So we're going to work with this. So I'm going to still find out. Okay, so for Monday, for example, this is what we'll begin with. So for Monday, I'm going to be looking at price action around the 50% all the way to, in fact, I'll look at it from the 61.8%, which is 2029.49, all the way to 38.2%, which is at 2035.32. And of course, we'll just set our stop loss somewhere around here and then work out our first, second, and third, all the way maybe to fifth target levels for Monday. All right, so that's what we'll be doing on Monday. So Monday morning, we are going to come back to look at this and see what we can make out of it. So Monday, we'll be checking it out using the pivot points, right? So Monday, we're going to work it out using the pivot points. So you can see that this is still valid as we plotted it the last time. So that's what we're going to use. All right, so you can see the entire thing play out here. All right, so let's see how things play out when the market resumes on Monday. But then on 4 hours, if you want to work with us, I'm going to remove this. Okay. On 4 hours, we will work with okay, let's see. Let me work with based on the fall from here to here. Okay. I'm doing it because of the moving averages, right? So based on the fall from here to here on 4 hours, we are also going to consider a sell around here. Now, remember, we still have monthly pivot points there, which is at 2039.96. So we don't know where the weekly pivot point will show up. So by Monday, we'll be checking that out, and they will be giving you updates. So, but then give and take, we're looking at around here between 61.8, which are 2034, all the way to 50% retracement. Okay, there might be a pierce in, maybe to 44 or 45, but then that's what we'll have, and then we'll be working to set this up. So Monday we'll come back and give a proper update, but then this is what to expect as we enter the new week. Trade to win. This is from the Pips O'Clock team. Thanking you for tuning in.